Hello, my loves. I am Marie coming to you from my beautiful home island here in Siargao, Philippines. And I'm super excited to talk about the Nomad World Fest of 2024 happening in also beautiful Albufeira, Portugal. Whether you're like me that's passionate about the nomad lifestyle or simply curious on how to live one, this event is for you. Just like last year, we're all about community, we're all about growth and embracing the freedom of the nomadic lifestyle, all in one of the most beautiful places and beaches in the world. This was literally me last year. Lots of learnings, networking, and meeting other nomads along the stunning beaches and the charming streets of Albufeira. Plus, an unforgettable experience in Portugal's cultures and cuisines, including, of course, my favorite, pastéis de nata. Pastéis de nata. Anyway, I'll be there to share my journey and tips, and I can't wait to meet many of you guys in person. And I can't wait to connect, to learn, to get inspired by everyone there. Check out the Nomad World Fest 24 this October. See you there.